Yes, keep the file in standing position. Okay, keep the file in standing position and you will start. Take a scale and draw one straight standing line in the center of the page. It's very simple drawing. Don't worry. We will just draw it slowly. Step by step you will follow me. Then only you can draw it easily. Okay. Don't worry. Just follow me step by step. One standing line with the help of a scale. Okay. Standing line in the center. And then leave 2 to 4 finger, 3 fingers gap. Yes. No, small till here. You can leave some space at the top. Okay. I'm using a small scale. You just draw one scale. Okay. In the center. And draw a straight line. Bring the scale to the right side. Okay. Leave 2 to 4 fingers gap and draw a smaller line from this. This is the tallest line, the biggest line, and then you will draw a small, you just leave 4 finger gap. See, here is the point this line is ending. Just take 4 finger gap and then draw another line at a distance of 3 fingers or 4 fingers. Okay, see, there is a gap of 3 finger. This line is the shorter, and then one line in the center till the end of the page. Then second line at a distance of 3-4 finger gap till the page ends. Okay, and then first line that we have drawn is the biggest, tallest line. Then it is shorter, and the third line we will draw is the shortest. Okay, again we will leave 3-4 finger gap and we will draw one shortest line. Tall, short, shortest. Okay, we will draw 3 lines in the center of the page and we will draw giraffe. Okay, we will draw 3 giraffes. We will change these lines into giraffe. See, first we will use the second line. This is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. Now we will draw this a giraffe. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Okay, we will draw the face of this giraffe here. One sleeping line and then a slanting line. And then little curve, and you can draw ear, Okay. See, this is the head of the giraffe. Ear is in sleeping position. It's not going up. It is not going up. It is a sleeping ear. And here you will draw 1 and 2. Giraffe has small antennas. So, and then you will draw the neck. What? Yes, Shuhada. Are you able to follow? Just try to follow it, okay? I know you are facing network issues. See, Shuhada, we have drawn 3 lines. The center one is, first we will draw the tallest line, big, using a scale in the center of the page. Then we have drawn small, leave 4 finger gap. We have drawn 3 lines. Tall, short, shortest. First, second, third. And we are drawing a giraffe on this second line. So now we will draw the neck, and you all know giraffe has a long neck, right? So we will draw long neck, and when it's coming down, it will turn to the center line and it will join join here. See, here you will not draw anything here. Just bring a long neck and just come and join it with the center line. It's very simple steps. Okay. First giraffe we have drawn. Now we will draw the smallest one. This giraffe is facing towards right. This giraffe will face towards left. Okay. One sleeping line. Again you will draw the face with a slanting line. Here we can draw 1, 2. See, this is the head, 2 ears and 2 antennas. This is facing little side, so we can see both the ears and both the antennas. And then we will draw the neck. Again a long neck, but this giraffe is little shorter in height, so it is having a short neck also, because this is a baby giraffe. So, and it will again turn and join the center line. It will also join in center like this. Okay. We have drawn 2 giraffes till now. Now we will draw the tallest one, the big giraffe. For this giraffe, we will erase this line little bit. Okay. Have you drawn this much? Everybody has drawn this much. I hope you are. I would like to see now. Okay, we'll start with Manas. Okay. Bring it closer. Bring it closer. Okay, very good. Good, good, good. It's very simple drawing today, na? Okay, Ojas, can you show me? Before moving to, yes. Okay, okay, hold it there. Okay. Very good. The next one, the next one. Okay, good, good, good. Good, very good, Ojas. Who else has drawn? Jasvi, have you done? Mahi, have you done? Okay, go. Ojas, I have seen yours. Who else has done? Jasvi. Okay, Shaman. Good. It's very easy drawing. Okay, Avyukt is also here. Okay, good. And Mahi, have you drawn this much? Go, go. Show me your drawing. Okay, Adya is showing me. Good, very easy. Good, Adya. Shriyadita, have you drawn? Can you show me your drawing? Yes, Mahi, show. Very good. Good, good, good. Now, good, Mahi. Who else? Okay, go, go. Very good. It's very simple, easy, na? Yes, yes, Ojas. No, no, we will not draw the legs. Just wait, okay? We will not draw that. Okay, Mahim. Okay, good. And Malik is doing? Okay, no. It's okay, it's okay. Now, Tiyama, have you done? Yes, yes, Manas. Yes, it's very easy coloring. We will be able to finish in one class. Just wait, okay? Yes, yes, Tiyama. Mm-mm. Okay, good. Tiyama, okay. Tiyama, the giraffe that you have made on this right side now, make the antennas little thin and small. Okay, just make this small. This antenna you have made now, you have drawn this, just make it little small. Yama, can you hear me? Okay, now go. Jasvi, have you drawn this much? Shriyadita, okay, Avyukt has done. Coloring is very simple. We only need to make the colors. Okay, good. Show. Show it to me, baby. Okay, good. Yes, Ojas. क्योंकि वो एकदम राइट साइड साइड देख रहा है ना, इसलिए व्हेन यू फेस थोड़ा सा सामने होता है ना, व्हेन यू लुक इन फ्रंट, तो यू बोथ द आईज वी कैन सी द ईयर्स, बट व्हेन यू फेस एकदम स्ट्रेट राइट साइड में ना, देन ओनली वन ईयर, वन आई इज विजिबल. Shriyadita, can you show me your drawing? Can you hear me, Shriyadita? Have you drawn this much? Okay, show me your drawing when you are done. ठीक है. Now we will draw. What बेटा? क्या बोल रहे हो? Catch pen. Just a minute. Today we have very simple drawing. Only one giraffe is left. then we will start the coloring. Okay, it's very simple today. Yes, just after one giraffe we have to draw only one giraffe in the center, the tallest one. Let's start. Yes, you have this neck now. What you have to do, you have to draw one ear first. See, like this. Meet at one point, join it at one point, then upside down curve for the head, another ear, and two antennas. See, here we can see both the ears, both the antennas, and face. You will not join it with the standing line. You will draw one letter U. Okay, one letter U, but you will not join with the standing line. And then you will from this point, from the center, you will bring one long neck, and it will become little slanting line. See how it's going left. Okay, it's going slanting. Starting from a standing line, it will go little slanting. And this side also, see, you have erased this line, a center line I have erased. It's coming down and it's open up, and it also goes slanting. See, you will get a slanting line. It's becoming broader, thick. Okay, that's it. We will not draw anything else. It's looking like giraffe family. Papa giraffe, mama, no eyes, nothing. Okay, Papa giraffe, mama giraffe, and baby giraffe. Why, Mahim? You want to spoil your art? I told you ना, you have to follow step by step. नहीं तो आपकी ड्राइंग में फिर कुछ और बन जाएगा. If you will not follow me, right? So you need to follow step by step. And now we are done with today's drawing part. Now is the fun part. What we will do, Shri Aditya, have you drawn this much? Can you show me? Because I have seen everybody's drawing. I have not seen yours. Very simple drawing. Shradita? Yes, Manas? Yes. Now, what Mama will do, see, we will make, Shuhada is not here, no? Okay. So, if you don't have color, Mahim, you don't have copy. You have brown color, right? It's okay. Manas, you want to say something? Okay, you don't have coffee? Okay, we will use, see how, just keep your file aside. Now I'm going to tell you how to make coffee paint. What you will do, Mama will help you. Okay? We will make 2 shades of coffee. How many shades? 2 shades of, yes, 2 shades of coffee. For that, we will put 1 spoon in each container. Whatever you have, if you have a bowl, katori, and anything you have, whatever you have, it's okay. You just put equal amount of coffee in both the container. Okay. See, I'm using this much in one container, equal amount of coffee, 1 spoon, okay, in both the containers. To make one lighter shade, we will measure the water. What you will do, it's okay beta, then you use brown color, okay. Gogo, you were saying something? Who else was saying? Yes, Shaman. Okay, it's okay. Container doesn't matter. Okay, it's okay. Container is not the issue. You can use bowl, whatever you have. Now, what you will do, you will measure, you will take 1 spoon in one container and 2 spoon in one container. See, this is a small, here I have poured 1 spoon water. In this container, I have used 2 spoons of water. That's it. Okay. Where I will use more water, we will get light shade. Where I am using little water, there I will get darker shade. So we are going to make, and then you need to mix it with a brush or whatever you have, earbud, whatever you have. See, just mix it with the brush or okay. I will show you the colors also. I will show you the shades. You can check it, then only you can use, okay? See, in this container I have used 2 spoons of water. Look at the shade. It is light. And here mix it properly, then only you will get darker shade, because lumps are coming, so you need to mix it properly. See, you can see here, from here only you can make the difference that this is dark. See, here I am getting darker shade, and with this, where I have used water, more water, 2 spoons of water, in that I am getting very light shade. See, look at the color. This is the light shade and this is the dark shade. When we use coffee for coloring, we use 2 shades of coffee. One is light shade and the other is dark. Are you able to make the color? Are you getting the color? If not, you can mix more coffee. If you're not getting it darker, you can put more coffee. Don't put water. Okay, otherwise it will become very watery. If you're not getting the dark shade, you can increase the coffee. If you're not getting the dark shade, you just put coffee in that. Okay. If you're not getting the dark shade, you increase the quantity of coffee. You put 1 more spoon. Okay. Because increasing water will spoil your effort. So increase coffee in one container. So you will get more coffee will give you darker shade. See, I'm getting dark shade because in this water is less, coffee is more, and here water is more, coffee is less, so you will get light shade. Yes, you can use a bowl from a kitchen, no? It's a yeah. What I'm saying, you use a bowl from a kitchen, or you can use a cup. Container is not the issue, beta. Okay, you can use a cup to make the paint. So, do you all have cotton? Shiadita, are you? Yes. Okay, you have earbud. Okay, Manas, then you use brush one by one, one by one. Yes, दोनों डार्क है. Okay, okay, okay. So just put. अच्छा, 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 अच्छा. Just a minute. Just put 1 spoon water in one of the coffee container. Okay, Mahim. अगर दोनों डार्क हो रहे हैं तो थोड़ा सा वाटर इंक्रीज कर दो, और अगर दोनों लाइट हो रहे हैं तो एक में कॉफी इंक्रीज कर दो. जस्ट चेक इट इन अ रफ शीट. रफ शीट में चेक कर लो, जस्ट लाइक मी. Okay, once you are done with the color, then I will proceed. Jasvi, have you done? Just show me a thumbs up if you have made the colors. Okay, good. You got both the shades, light and dark. आगे बन गया? Good. Gogo, your color is done. Mahi, good. Both the shades, light and dark. Okay, good. Light and dark, no? Good. Adya, you got the colors, light and dark? Adya, are you there? ओजस आपके कलर बन गए? ओके गुड. ओजस आपके कलर बन गए? ओके ओके गुड. Mahim, now you got the color? Mahim, now your color is ready? Show me a thumbs up if your color is ready. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Shaman, you got the colors? Just show me a thumbs up. Okay, good. Yes. Okay. Yes, man. Yes, who? Manas? Okay. Ojas. Yes, Betu. Bolo. Just wait. Let me check ना. सबका ready हो जाएगा. Then only I can tell you ना. Avyuk, you are ready with the colors? Good. Light and dark both ना? Okay. Good, good, good. Syama, are you ready with the colors? Light and dark. Good. Shriyadita, are you there, baby? Okay, good, 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 good. So light shade we will use for the background, and dark shade we will use for giraffe. Okay. So now for background, you know how we do the background with the cotton dabbing? We have been doing this. So what you will do, you will take cotton, dry cotton, dip it in water, squeeze the extra water, and now what we will do, the light shade that we have prepared, you will dip it in that. Okay, squeeze a little. What? 2 spoon, 2 spoon. Did not check the color? Hmm? I have used 1 spoon of coffee and 2 spoons of water to make the light shade. Yes, Gogo, what are you saying? Just a minute, Gogo. एक मिनट ओजस, आप जरा वेट करो बेबी. Gogo is in the lighter shade, okay? First we will do the background, and here we are going to use cotton dabbing. You will start from the top. Put the cotton and just make it like this. Just color it light, beta light. Background, when we always do background with light shade. See, just go over the brush, use brush. Okay, you can use brush. You can use brush, and just I'm doing in sleeping position. See, I'm dragging the cotton in sleeping direction. It's okay. What? Okay, just use brush in case you don't have cotton, and if you don't have coffee, you can use brown color. See, light shade we are doing. Background is very easy. Just finish the background with the light shade of coffee like this. That's it. Whole background is done. Just leave it for 1 to 2 minutes, and you will let it dry. Okay, let it dry, then we will do the dark shade. We will use the dark shade. If you don't have earbud, you can use brush, but then you have to be very careful. Okay, you have to be very careful with the brush. Let it dry first, then we will color the giraffe. Just let it dry. It will take 2 minutes. Okay, have you done this much? Just lift your file and show me. Just do it. Okay, very good, Avyuk. I can see Avyuk has done. Very good light shade. Okay, who else has done? Ojas is doing. Okay, Ojas has done. Good. Good. Triyama has done. Triyama, I think you need little bit of color there. Top side is little darker. I think so. Isn't it? or you just wait, leave it. Okay, we will draw grasses also, so it's okay. We will. Who else has done? Yes, Ojas. Good. Let it dry, baby. It's wet now. Just give 2 minutes. Let it dry. Who else has done? Mahi, have you done? Okay, Adya has done. Good. Let it dry first. Okay. It will take 2 minutes. Hardly 2 minutes. Okay, Shri can you hear me? Can you show me your drawing? Okay. Avyukt has done. Tiama has done. Manas is doing. Mahim, have you done? Mahi, Gogo, Jasvi. Okay, so can you smell this coffee? Smell is coming? Yes. Very good, Mahi. You can smell the coffee. Yes. Lovely smell. Yes. Shaman, good. Okay. So coffee is natural color, right? If you don't have colors, you can use materials that we have in the kitchen, and we can do the painting. So different, and in olden time people used to use all the natural colors, right? So it's very old technique. Even in age people used to make colors from vegetables, and they used to color it. They don't have that colors. Yes. Yes. Who was saying? Shaman, you were saying something? It is right. Okay. Yes. And what about the smell? You're feeling to like drinking coffee, isn't it? After the class, you all can enjoy the coffee with mama. Okay. So yes. Mahim, have you finished? Is it okay? Let it. It will take little time. Now we can start with the dark shade. Okay, Mahim, have you done? Okay. So if it is dry, completely dry, then we can start with earbud, or if you don't have earbud, then you have to be very careful with the coloring. Okay. Now we will use the dark shade. Now we will use dark shade. Okay, do it. I will wait. Okay, because it's still little. And Mahim, when it is dry only, then you have to use. Okay. When it is dry only, then you will use the other color. Just check your drawing artwork. It is dry or not, and then put the earbud in the dark shade. Now we will use dark shade and start from the middle. Okay, start from the middle, so that, see, this way you can start coloring. Just use it like a brush. Slowly color the giraffe. Okay, start from the middle so that it will not spoil. See, you have to use earbuds just like brush. Just fill the giraffe with darker shade. Okay. Slowly, slowly color it. Just like a brush. Use it like a brush. Use earbud. See, if your color is more watery, just increase the quantity of coffee so that it will become thick and it will not get spoiled. So you just use it like a brush. Just color it inside the line. Okay, don't go outside the line. Just try to be in the line, because here you have very little space. We have made the ears. Just don't do the antenna. Okay, we will do it with the sketch pen. So don't do the antenna. Just color the face where you can use earbud nicely, because antenna is very small drawing. You won't be able to use earbud there. So अच्छे से color करना है. Don't color in ear antenna. Just color the, see, with one coffee you have made two different shades, and we are doing one whole artwork with one coffee. It's getting a very different and unique effect that you won't get with the colors, right? You have been using plastic crayons, water poster colors, we have been using all these colors, but this color effect is completely different and unique. See, just like brush, I'm using just like brush. If you don't have earbud, you can use brush, but be careful. Color it till the end. Yes. No, no, no. I'm using the dark shade. And maybe camera sometimes shows you the light, not the color, the same color effect you don't get. See, this is the Papa Giraffe. If it's light, you can increase the quantity of coffee. Okay. See, light reflection is coming on this now. That's why it's, and it is wet now. That's why it's uh, you are getting very light shade. But I'm using the dark shade. See, it is darker from the background. You have to check your color shade. Okay. Light is the background, dark is the giraffe. You can check in your drawing. Light is the background. If you're not getting that dark shade, you just increase the quantity of the coffee. Okay. And you just color it till the end, till the page end. When it will get dry now, then you will not get that shine. That's why it's coming light. See, wherever it is light, just try to be even with the color. Okay. All over dark shade. See, I'm using which stroke. You have to be very particular with the strokes also. I'm using only standing strokes, and where I am ending, from there only I pick the new stroke. So I'm trying to get the even color effect. See, you have to start until the end. See, now if your earbud gets spoiled, you can change it from this side. Okay, you can change it. Otherwise, it will go out of the line. So try to be in the line, and when it will dry, then we will do the outlining, because water is mixed in the color. So sketch pen will get spoiled if you will do it before coloring. So I think we are done with the giraffe. Can you see my giraffe? It's now coffee work is done. Abhi, we will do some more effects also. So just wait. Okay, Mai, can you show me yours? This much is done. Wow, see, light and dark, very good. Adya, can you show me yours? Light. Okay, good, very good. So your giraffe is visible. We will do the outlining only. Who else has done? Okay, Avyuk has done. Okay, good. Shaman. Shaman. Okay, good, Shaman. Just be very good. Yes. Gogo, have you done? Ojas, Mahim. Okay, you're getting the effect, dark shade. Good. And you can you smell the aroma? Okay. Mahim, have you done? Doing? Okay, do it, do it. Good, good, good. Let it dry. What we can do with the dark shade that we have left with, you can do some cloudy effect with the dark color. See, we have done the background very light, right? Just take the cotton again, okay, or you can use that one also, and then put it in the water again, squeeze the water completely, and now which shade we are going to use? Dark. Okay, just dip it in the dark shade. We are using dark shade, and we can get some cloudy effect. See, just at the corner, just put some cloudy effect like this. So this side also, till that time giraffe will get dry and we can do the outlining. I'm using dark shade here, okay? This side also and this side also. I'm using cotton for some cloudy effect, and you will not color it over the giraffe. Just give it a texture. See? Like this. We will get some cloudy effect. And let it dry. I think it is dry. And what we will do, we can draw. Is this much done? You can take the earbud with the earbud. Just dip in the dark shade and just make grass. You can draw grass. Just start from the bottom and just go up. Just draw the long grasses. You know, giraffes lives in grasslands. So you can draw. Start from the bottom of the page. From where you have to start, keep the earbud here and just pull it up and just draw long grasses both the sides. You can draw both the sides. Long grasses. Start from the bottom of the page and pull it up. Throw it up. Throw. Just like brush. Okay. Just draw large long grasses. So here we will complete like this and just okay. So we have completed the ground also, sky also, and now we only have to highlight our giraffe with black sketch pen. Mahim, are you able to do, baby? Okay. What have you done till now? Okay. Just show me how much you have done. Just show me how much you have done. Are you able to do? What are you doing? Okay, wow. Yeah, very good, very good. You're doing the cotton dabbing, right? Good. Do the cotton dabbing. Here, simple cotton dabbing we are doing. Dark with the dark shade of coffee, we are doing cotton dabbing. Good. And now check your giraffe. I think it is dry now. Now you have to see. Are you able to do with the sketch pen, or you can use? Just check. All of you need to check. Okay. कि कहीं blot तो नहीं कर रहा है. Is it blot? Just start from the antenna. Just draw the antenna. Just draw the antenna. Do not color in it. You can color it with brown color crayon. Okay. See. Draw the antenna first with black sketch pen. Check whether it's dry or not. Otherwise, पूरा spoil हो जाएगा. So check it. Okay. My drawing is dry, so I can proceed with the outlining. And check if it's blotting. अगर वो वहां पे फैल रहा है, blot कर रहा है, just stop it there. ठीक है? Just watch my how I am doing. You can do it later. अभी मत करना, otherwise you will spoil all the effort. Okay? So just look at me how I'm doing the outlining. You can do it later, but do not do right now, otherwise it will get spoiled. Okay, we have not drawn the eyes. Why? Because we have done the shadow effect. See, one thing is left that we will do with the dark brown color, or we can use black crayon color. We will do the patchwork also, because giraffes they have patches in their body, right? So that we will also draw like this. Just draw the outlining, complete the outlining. We will color the antenna with brown crayon, okay? Because birds are not pointed to color these, so we can color it with brown crayon. The rest of the thing we are doing the outlining. We will draw the patches with crayon. Here also. Let it dry first. If it is not dry, do not do, don't hurry, okay? Wait for it to dry. So here we are done with the outlining. Now take brown color, dark brown, or you can take, see if dark brown is working on this. Otherwise you will take black color. Just try first the brown shade. If it's working, it's visible, okay? Just color it with brown color. Yes, it's working here. See, I'm using crayon in the antenna, brown in this, okay, crayon, and then few pat dots. Yes, it's perfect color I'm getting. Just draw the patches. One, just color it in this shape, not lot. Just draw few of the dots, not very much in number. Just 4, 5, 6, not more than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have made the patches in the Papa giraffe and then in the Mama giraffe. Also, you can draw few patches. Like this, and very small patches in baby giraffe. Very small patches. That's it. Very small size. If you want, you can draw the eyes also, just with the brown color only. Okay. 2 eyes here. One. Yes. Oh, just what happened? Have you completed? Okay, show me. Okay, okay. So then you need to watch now how I'm doing. Hmm. Just 2 minutes. It's done. Eyes. Okay. Now what we will do? Just take this brown crayon and just make it little darker. See? Make the grass. Give it a shade. Okay. So here we have completed. You can use here crayon. I'm using brown shade. Very nice color effect of brown we have done in this artwork. Very unique artwork, right? So we are done. Okay, now here we complete our artwork, coffee painting. We have done this beautiful giraffe jungle scene with coffee. The material that you have at your home, that we can use. We can create art with beautiful, we can create beautiful art with these material at our home. I hope you liked it. Yes? Did you like it? Okay, lovely.